Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy and professional tutorial, we will learn how to insert our letterhead only on the first page in Microsoft Word. This is very useful for official letters, business documents, applications and reports where only the first page needs a branded header. In this video, you will discover the correct method using header setting and section option to apply a letterhead on the first page only while keeping other pages clean and simple. So let's get started. We can see here many page. Now I want to add the letterhead only on the first page. At first, make some process. Go to the last of the first page, then go to layout menu. Click the break drop down menu, choose next page. Then remove the space. Then double click on the header. Then go to the text of letterhead. Now I am select the letterhead text, then paste here, then go to the second page, then turn off the link to previous option, then delete the text here, then close the header and footer. Now we can see we insert the letterhead only on the first page but not all page. You can check it. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.